Good day, everyone. Today is October 1, month of the Holy Rosary. We all know that this month, aside from the Mission Month, this is also the month of the Holy Rosary. So, praying the Holy Rosary is the famous devotion to our Blessed Mother. There are four mysteries of the Rosary. First is the joyful mystery. We pray this mystery every Monday and Saturday. And every time we pray this rosary, we remember the good events, no, the happiness uh, experiences of Mary, no, and Jesus as well. Next is the sorrowful mystery. Sorrowful mystery, we pray this every Tuesday and Friday. So in this mystery, we remember his passion, death, and his passion and death. So sadness in the life of Jesus, as well as the life of Mama Mary. Luminous mystery, the third mystery, we pray naman every Thursday. So luminous mystery talks about Jesus' public ministry. And the last is the glorious mystery. We pray this mystery every Wednesday and Sunday. So after the pain, after his public ministry, so there is glory, no? There is resurrection. So, my dear children, please continue to pray the rosary with your families. Continue to ask Mama Mary's help, Mama Mary's intercession. And let us remember that every time we pray this devotion, we are remembering Mama Mary's special role in the life of Jesus, or another is in the life of in the salvation history. So for our next lesson, I am going to discuss the detailed mysteries, or each mystery of the rosary. God bless everyone and have a nice day.